So, do you know what day it is today? Yeah, it's Tuesday, but it's not just any Tuesday. Today is Pancake Day. And you know what that means? It's pretty self-explanatory, really. But for those of you not from the UK, it means you've got to eat pancakes. So here are some I made earlier. As if one would be enough, here we have a stack of 6 delicious, super light and fluffy buttermilk pancakes. Now what they need is topping. Right, today I'm going to be topping the pancakes with Nutella. Obviously Nutella sales have been a bit slow since Christmas. Bananas. And the secret ingredient, Smarties. Right, I'm going to put a spoonful of the Nutella in a cup and heat it up so it's a little bit easier to spread over the pancakes. One thing better than Nutella, molten Nutella. Sprinkle that with a few slices of banana, and then the secret ingredient, Smarties. Right, let's try my Nutella, banana and Smarties pancakes. That's quite a mouthful. Yeah, you definitely won't like that. Right, happy Pancake Day, you lot. I'm going to finish this.